Yes. Mention.
Chief, regarding item number 13 of the supplementary list, affidavit has been filed by us, but it has not been tagged with the records. Similarly, may be allowed.
It is submitted by the Learned Counsel for the respondent that an affidavit in the matter has been filed. However, the same is not part of the records. Also, registry to list this matter again on 29/4/2025, along with the affidavit stated to have been filed in the bar today by the respondents. Yes. Yes, Mr.
And then today is for submission of written admission. For respondent number 5, I am submitting the written admission also.
Dictation page. What is it?
What to be
Yeah, the comedy over here. This is by respondent number 5. Mr. Dr. yours? Itu ইয়াতে সোমাই থৈ দিবা নেক্সট আজি নালাগে নেক্সট ডেটত যেতিয়া আহিব তেতিয়া তোমাক ডিক্টেশ্যন দিয়াত লাগিব So in para 5 you have dealt with that aspect that had come up on that day. Okay. Now, can we go by the weight of the written arguments and decide the case?
The one presented by me only because the judgments have been enclosed, that's why it has become. Otherwise, my English is very poor.
Mr. Doctor, the English, the side is also not that English. So don't worry about that.
It is only a copy paste kind of thing that has been done here.
And when Mr. Doctor is making a copy paste, it will have a lot of meaning attached. So we'll have to go very deep into it. Okay. Anything more?
I could not prepare due to my personal difficulty.
Okay.
People would say allow Lordship is fixing the case for judgment.
No, I'll go through this once.
In the meantime,
you have it, and if we are ready, if there is no query left, we will go ahead. Because those were all tentative views,
yes, sir,
which had come up. So will you bring it on record? We'll keep a date for that. Heard the Learned Counsel for the parties at length. The petition, Learned Counsel for the petitioner as well, senior counsel for the petitioner as well as the Learned Counsel for the respondents, number 5, have filed their respective written arguments. Mr. S.C. Kal, Learned Counsel appearing for the T-board, T-board, that is the respondents number 1, 2, 3, and 4, no?
Okay.
Submits that on account of certain personal difficulty, he could not bring on record the written arguments on behalf of the respondents represented by him. So accordingly, he prays that the matter be taken up immediately after the Bihu vacations to enable him to bring on record the said the place on record his written arguments. Full stop. Prayer accepted. Registry to list this matter again on
24th, I have some difficulty.
It's only to receive that. That's all. And if I have any doubt, I'll let you know.
Much better.
Yes, Mr. Chisti.
Yes, okay. My instruction needed.
8 to 2 billion guys.
The proposal, Mr. DO Kasar has already submitted the pension proposals to the Director of Pension Lordships. And perhaps by this time.
This is a classic example.
Yes.
That a contempt is between the court and the respondent. Petitioner is not even here.
Yes, perhaps they have received
No, he last time also there was none.
none.
Okay, let us see the order.
And I have also instructed Director of Pension has issued a letter to the Treasury Officer Kasar on 18/7/24. Perhaps she has received the
The pension proposal has gone to the
Well, I
director.
think that there is a letter from the director of pension to the treasury officer. The PPO has been issued, Lord, I think the petitioner has already received that amount. It was issued on July 2024 itself. From the director of pension, the last letter was.
Okay. None appears for the petition on call. Also, the present contempt petition has been instituted, alleging violation of the directions passed by this court wide order dated 19/6/2023 in WPC number 1785/2023. 2020. So this court at wide dissent order directed the respondent authorities to prepare the pension proposal in respect of the husband of the petitioner after reconstruction of his service book. Also, Mr. SMT Sisti, Learned Counsel appearing for the
So,
sole respondent has submitted that the pension proposal in respect of the husband of the petitioner has already been prepared and the same has been forwarded and the same was forwarded to the director of pension for disbursal of pension. He submits that the director of pension wide PPO, FPO. Director of pension has already authorized to the petitioner herein the pension and pensionary benefits are required to be so authorized to her to authorize to her for the service rendered by her husband. So in view of the above position, this court is of the considered view that the directions passed by order dated 19/6/2023 in WPC number 1785/2020 has since been complied with. Accordingly, the present contempt petition stands closed. The communications dated 2/4/2025, 27/2/2024, and 18/7/2024 placed on record by Mr. SMT Sisti is kept on record and marked as X collectively. Okay.
Wait, Your Lord. The last occasion, this honorable court has directed me to take instruction.
No, we don't want any letter. We don't have time. Are you paying or not paying?
Shipma, kindly bear me 5 minutes.
You
my
tell
lord.
me,
Just
madam,
one last-
your oral submission will do. You forget the letter. What is this?
On last occasion, the council for the KCC informed this honorable court that we are the. we are
Line
not-
department.
Yes, it is not a transfer subject, first of all, they said.
Hmm.
Then, lordship, my letter. Page 1. In inviting reference to subjects, I am directed to inform you that the white number so and so, copy and field areas department has been requested to take necessary action for release of the salary of the Srimati Reena Singh Dwara. Since the corporation is a transferred subject to the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, so and so.
Okay, that day,
Yes.
then she made a submission.
The page number. Page number 8, my lord.
Okay, Likha,
8.
Miss,
And lordship, then the letter we have received the
We are paying, my lord. We have
Karbi
already, my
Anglong
lord,
paying.
take a decision, my lord, council. We are paying the, my lord, regarding the factual part is that, my lord, without SLC, my lord, is appointment. was-
whatever it is, there is a
So, my-
direction,
Direction, man.
there is a direction of this court.
My lord, So we are paying it, my lord.
She is
But regarding
working,
the
paying.
final disposal,
She let
regarding,
it go.
whether she is entitled to the compulsory appointment or not. but-
Mr. J. Chutia, Learned Standing Council, Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council on instructions have submitted that the council has already taken a decision to release to the petitioner herein her due salaries with effect from 25/1/2021 to 9/3/2023. What about the other after
My lord,
that?
After that, my lord, when the SLC rejected it, my lord, the petition is not in service.
Manu, I'm still working in service, man.
Okay, okay, get
Yes, sir.
something you
Yeah,
get,
my lord,
get it. Full stop. Mr. Chutia, when are you releasing this amount?
My lord, last line, my lord, lordship will look into it. The last paragraph, the decision has been taken in compliance with the direction of the Honorable High Court and the resolution of the state level committee dated so and so. taking into consideration that the petitioner is also.
We
currently not
are
working.
not even asking you, but this amount from 21 to 23, when are you releasing?
My lord,
When are you releasing that amount?
it is, my lord, that,
This decision, when
My
are you
my
implementing?
lord, yesterday the decision has been taken, my lord. Yesterday after that, my lord.
So give me a time frame so that we can incorporate that.
People also give 5 minutes. my
Okay,
lord.
fine.
Maximum
After five.
time is month.
They'll also have to have that money, Mr. Chu.
Madam, may kindly record my submission. of-
But we'll do that.
Okay.
Hmm.
My lord, this matter is covered by the recent judgment on compassionate appointment dated 3/4/2025, my lord. Para 9, Roman 1, my lord, of the judgment. It's pending before this honorable court, my lord.
Which judgment?
Yes, my lord.
Which judgment?
My lord, regarding compassionate appointment, this is the judgment, my lord.
Just show me. Why was your case rejected? Because of late submission of application?
Yes.
Then,
My lord, kindly see annexure, A is the death certificate, the person died on 24/12/2011.
Hmm.
And the petitioner applied on 16/2/2012,
Hmm.
not even 2 months, my lord. And they have rejected on the ground of delay, my lord. Rejection is at phase 16, my lord. And the application is page 13. Annexure C. Para 9, Roman 1, my lord, last sentence. my lord.
Mr. SMP Sisti, Learned Planning Council, Education Department submits that he be granted further 3 weeks' time to
Regarding the
complete.
rejection DLC represented by the government. Yes.
There
Yes.
is a decision.
Yes.
Now, go through it.
Yes.
3 weeks' time to complete his instructions in the matter. Full stop. Register to list this matter immediately on completion of 3 months from 3 weeks from today. A judgment to by decree. Yes, same. Volina
Same.
does same,
Yes, my lord.
same, 11 same. But madam, I'm not dismissing the matters because of Bihu.
Yes.
Otherwise, this cases cannot survive. You try. Do.
Next legal lordship. Your lordship's order dated 12th of January 2024 at page 30. Yes, lordship. The matter was moved to the finance department, then finance department has sought some clarification. And accordingly, the secretary has directed the director.
Page 30 is the order.
Yes.
Yes.
And this is the instruction that is.
No, but you tell me what has happened. This order is of 12/1/24, 1 year.
One.
Why? Why is it not being released? December 23 onwards. Have you gone up on appeal against this order?
That information I don't have, lordship. No.
No appeal. Then? If this order is bad, you get it out of the way. But if you keep it on the way, it will be a hindrance for you. Mr. SMT Sisti submits that he be granted time till 21, 22, 23, 4/2024 to complete his instructions in the matter. Mr. Sisti, on the next date of listing, shall apprise this court as to why the current salaries of the petitioner has not been released with effect from December 2023 as directed by this court wide order dated 12/1/2024 in WPC number
5620.
5620/2022. Mr. Sisti, have
Yes.
you completed your instructions?
24/4.
24/4.
Item 4, I need some time, lordship. Let it come after vacation, lordship.
Yes, Mr. Sharma,
I
he is not permitting your client to enjoy Bihu. What to do?
I have retired from service on 28/2/2023. Your lordship has directed that I should be governed under the old pension scheme and I should be paid arrears salary.
Okay.
Till then, nothing. has
Mr.
happened.
SMT Sisti, Learned Council, appearing for the respondent,
And
Samit,
for
huh?
that finances also should have been made.
You get
Yes,
your
yes.
instructions.
Yes, sure.
Summits that he be granted
Hmm.
2 weeks time to complete his instructions in the matter. Accordingly, registered to list this matter again on 28/4/2024.
5 on last occasion, Lordship, I have submitted that compliance order, Lordship. I
Hmm.
think none was present.
Yes, order is complied with.
Yes, Lordship,
Oh.
we have received it.
The Mr.
SS Ahmed on.
SS Ahmed Learned Council for the petitioner submits that the directions passed by this court wide order dated (23/2024) in WPC number 5959/2019 has since been complied with by the respondent authorities. So in view of the said submission is not disputed by Mr. SMT Learned Council appearing for the respondent. So in view of the above, no further, the contempt petition, the order being complied with, the contempt petition stands closed. Yep.
6 also we have received the compliance order. Okay, on detail.
Why are you giving it to me? You give it to Mr. Chauhan. Yes, Mr. Chauhan, this was only,
Mylar, from Mylar 2001.
I know that. I know that. What is the direction? Mr. Mr. Chauhan, I am here on a contempt jurisdiction.
Yes.
The direction is to examine, pass a speaking order. They have examined and passed a speaking order.
Yes.
If you want to examine it, I can adjourn the matter, or I'll have to close it, giving you liberty to make a challenge. Which choice is yours? After, okay. Mr. SMT Assistant Learned Council for the petitioner has submitted that the direction passed by this court wide order dated 16/5/2024 in WPC number 6160/2018 has since been complied with by the Director Elementary Education Assam, and a speaking order dated 9/1/2025 has been passed. Full stop, has been issued. Full stop. Mr. Chauhan, Learned Council appearing for the petitioner submits that he be given a week's time to examine, they said, speaking order. Full stop. Prayer accepted. Registered to list this matter again after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by it. Yes.
Matter relating to lordship pension and benefit lordship, the petitioner husband was expired in the year of 2023 lordship. And subsequently they approached and kindly come to page number 24 law. And they made the representation.
Seen the office note dated 8/4/2025. Service of notice upon respondent number 678 is service report upon service upon respondent number 6, 7, and 8 is yet to be complete. Accordingly, accordingly await service of notice upon the said respondents for further 3 weeks.
My one submission lordship, and page number 24, only my.
Let the notice.
Given to representation may be considered.
No. We have issued a notice. Let them come. We'll say.
Petitioner is-
Next of kin. Let it
No,
come
no,
here.
lordship. Next of kin already decided lordship.
Hey,
No
naam
dispute.
Gita Sobore lo lo. Junjuna se.
Next of kin lordship, no dispute lordship, but the petitioner husband was got 2 minutes lordship. But subsequently lordship and
The other party, other wife, your counterpart,
lordship.
she is to come now.
Lordship, no.
Let her come. You are there.
Yes, my lord.
You are there.
Yes, my lord. I am filing the work order number today only.
You are appearing for
Response number 8, my lord.
8.
I'll offer an instruction and.
Okay, you find.
Second lordship, having
2 weeks.
no objection lordship.
Okay, 2 weeks.
3 weeks. my lord.
2 weeks.
Immediate after being.
2 weeks.
Problem.
Answer, no? Good answer.
My lord, this is a contempt petition that this is also regarding compassionate appointment. The order is at page 14 and 15.
Madam, the service is not complete. X, let's see what is X. Who is appearing for the government? DC. Heard Ms. S.D. Chaudhary, Learning Council for the respondent. So it is seen that although there is a report submitted in the matter by the Additional District Commissioner Kamrup Amingao, which would indicate that the notices have duly been served upon the respondent number 3. However, there is no representation on behalf of the respondent number 3 made in the matter today. Full stop. The office note dated 9/4/2025 submits that the notices that the service report upon the respondent number 1 and 2 has not been received. Registry to evict service of completion of service upon the respondents number 1 and 2 for 3 weeks. Let it be complete now.
2 is no longer holding the post, Lordship. It will again be not served, Lordship.
Huh?
The respondent 2, the inspector DEO Kamrup Rural is no longer in. Yes.
That is for her. I have seen what it is. What is there? Nothing. Yes,
Within a period of 3 months, my lord.
3 months is too much. 1 month.
2 months.
1 month. 1 month. Mr. J. Shutia, Learned Council appearing, Ekutu Likhana Silu, Learned Council appearing, Signing Council, Karbi Anglong District Autonomous Council submits that the council authorities have already taken a decision to release to the petitioner her due salaries for the period 25/1/21 to 9/3/23. So he submits that they said that the area salaries for the above noted period would be released to the petitioner within 45 days from today.
My instruction is 3 days, lordship, and do it food.
Lord,
My
I have
instruction is that within 3 months it can be released, my lord. We have to take the fund.
Now it's funds are freshly come now. You have funds. You're brimming with funds now. April minor.
My lord.
45 days from today. Full stop. Okay. 60 days from today.
My lord.
Full stop. A compliance report with regard to payment of the dues to the petitioner of our salaries, area salaries to the petitioner shall be placed on record on the next day by Mr. J. Shutia. Full stop. The receipt, the acceptance of the area salaries by the petitioner for the period 25/1/21 to 9/3/2023 would be without prejudice to the claims made by her in the present proceedings.
Because-
Huh?
My lord, on the current salary also be, my
My
lord.
lord, no current salary.
Mr. Rohia, something is better than nothing.
My lord,
We get it, because
the
he
point-
has raised an objection with regard to that. We'll have to examine that.
My lord.
We'll do that.
And my
Whatever
lord,
instruction
regarding the
you-
point that whether daughter-in-law is entitled to the compensation appointment, all these points
That
are
is
there.
the-
We'll consider, we are
filing the
are
affidavit, my lord,
tentative of the tentative view that he is entitled. We'll come to that. Likha, Mr. M.D. Bora, Learned Council, appearing for the Corporation Department has submitted, has on instruction submitted that the same is a transferred subject and is not looked after by the Corporation Department, but by the Hills Area Development Department of the Government of Assam.
My lord, whatever instruction of this, I may be access to that, my. lord.
Nothing is here to
My
be
lord,
given
we'll file the
access to you.
affidavit, my lord, and
He'll
we'll-
file an affidavit.
affidavit.
Lordship,
My order is there now.
Yes,
That
yes,
is the
that will-
instruction for you.
that will. Oblige.
You can
Lordship
give
fixing
the
the-
certified copy of the order for receiving your instructions.
No, no. Lordship, refixing it again, my lord.
Raise it to list this matter again after
4 weeks, my lord.
no,
No, 2 months, my lord, 60 days.
after 8 weeks on a date to a fixed. You make a mention after 8 weeks. Mr. Das, before Bihu, what is this hearing?
I will not take much, Lordship.
No,
I
you will not
I
take
will
time,
just-
but
I'll take
I'll,
Only 10 minutes, Lordship.
no, you will not take, but I'll have to take time to understand.
Lordship, they were.
Yes, Mr. Talukdar.
They were.
What is
appointed
there?
in 93, 94.
pension scheme, old pension.
Oh,
That Purnima already judgment, my lord.
Lordship,
oh, Purnima Hore.
Purnima Hore's
What are
Lordship,
they?
Purnima Hore's judgment was carried into appeal before the division bench, and there is a minus of the between the commercial policy and the cabinet Lordship, and they have taken a decision, Lordship, that if the in the initiation of the appointment is before 1/2005, then they will consider.
We'll consider it immediately after vacations.
My lord.
You are not retired, you are still in service.
Lordship, three of them have already retired and one has expired. I have to learn.
You substitute him,
And Lordship,
substitute him. On the
Lordship,
prayer of the Learned Council for the parties, registry to list this matter again on 6/5/2025 for admission, for hearing it, isn't it?
Hearing.
For hearing. We'll consider on that day. Today, Mr. Das, only not even a half day. Tomorrow, the whole day. Can't do it. Anything more, Naina? Thank you.
all right.